Welcome to Draw Stuff Real Easy, and today I'm going to show you how to draw happy birthday in this really cool, interesting way, but let's not talk about it. Let's do it. You are going to need a pencil and a pen and an eraser, and we're going to start with a pencil. And generally, with lettering like this, the big problem is getting it all nicely centered. So work out where your center line is going to be, and then this is going to be our kind of top line that's going to say happy, and this is going to be our next line that says birthday. Actually, I think we can have it a bit closer together, so that's going to say birthday. And the difficult part is making it all nice and centered, isn't it? That's usually my problem. So when we pencil like this, don't press hard, just press very lightly on the surface of the paper, and then when you've inked it in, it'll be much easier to erase all those pencil marks afterwards. So I'm doing happy, and I'm not worrying about the verticals too much, because this is a happy birthday. We want it to be jaunty, don't we? So now I'm going to move that down here a bit, I think. So if you're drawing, as you're drawing, you can do these pencil marks. So while you're doing these things, you can be kind of changing all the time, but as long as you don't press hard. So I'm going to put a B. I'm going to just make that more of a jaunty angle. Smaller circle on the top, bigger one on the bottom. B-I-R-T-H-D-A-Y. So that feels like it's going to fit. So I'm going to start with the H and draw these lines very simply. Now here I'm going to put a little dot, because that's going to help us in a bit later. So what we are doing in this kind of a typeface thing, we are drawing what we would call the inline. We're going to use the inline to help us draw the outline, which is going to be a bit more complicated. So, and you need to leave a bit of space in between these letters as well, and you'll see why in a minute. So now let's do the B. Take your time, don't rush it, so you get nice sort of smooth letters. Now what I'm doing here is I'm going over, and I'm actually going to go over on all of them. So I'm going to do these lines now, and these are called serifs. A little flick there, and a flick there, and then a kind of a little cross, a little right the way over on that one. Flick there, flick, flick, and we got the little circle there. So here we got these bits here. These are called serifs, and the I will then have a kind of little foot and a flick at the top, and we're going to want a circle. And the R is very much like the I with a flick, and then we want to go like that with a little circle on the end. The T will come all the way around there, and we don't need any flicks or things because we kind of got that with the cross piece there. The H we can bring here, that has a little flick and a foot there, and here with the D we'll have a flick at the top, a flick at the bottom, and then we'll have that circle there. We want this like the A, we want a little dot there, and bring that around the flick and a kind of belly, I don't know, kind of, it's like a belly, isn't it? And then we want the Y coming here all the way around with a little dot, and then we'll have two flicks there. Shall we add an exclamation mark with a little flick at the top? Now when you are absolutely sure that the ink is dry, then you can erase those pencil marks, because remember, you didn't press too hard, did you? So the graphite isn't kind of ingrained into the paper. Now if you got this far, you obviously like drawing stuff, so look, click down here. Can you see that little subscribe button? Click that and make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy. And now we're going to start adding the magic bit. So we want to come across like that, and then down at an angle, down like that, down like that, down like that, across, up. So you can see this is the inline, and now we're doing the outline, but we're using the inline, which is the easy part to draw, as a kind of a skeleton onto which we can then build the outline, if that makes any sense. So why am I doing a happy birthday thing today? Well, I have one particular fan called Luke Mark Williams, and he's such a big fan of my books and my videos and stuff, and I know it's his birthday today, and so I thought today is the day to do a happy birthday, how to draw a happy birthday video. So happy birthday, Luke Mark, and I hope you're having a fantastic day. And here we go, we just keep kind of working this design, working all the way around, and I think I'm going to speed this up, and I'll see you in a couple of moments. Now you can see I changed my mind about that T there, so I put that little flick on there just to make it more interesting. It just kind of felt right when I came to it, so remember to do that. And like I said, you know, if you really like drawing and doing this kind of stuff, do make sure you're subscribed, and keep coming back to Draw Stuff Real Easy. And do please like this video if you like it, because it all helps to make these videos more easily found on YouTube, and for other people to find them. So what we can do to make it a little more interesting is add some kind of little kapows, some little sort of happy brightness marks like that, and maybe some little sort of champagne bubbles, or whatever you like to call them. And then you can colour it in, do any shade or colour that you like, try them all out, see which one you like best, and draw it yourself. And if it's your birthday today, a very happy birthday. Well, thanks for watching. Please like this video and make sure you are subscribed to the Draw Stuff Real Easy channel. You can support my videos by following me on my Patreon page. Put your drawing idea requests in the comments box below, and remember to keep drawing. Practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.